Ganito ang charging station sa airport ng Manila.
Dapat yan dito yun. Bawat ano may kanta, meron yan dapat.
Kaya ganito, tingnan mo, it's ridiculous, sabi.
Remaining passengers on flight 5J973 bound for Davao. Yes, if you were around, please
Waiting for our flight to Manila, to Gegaraw. Daming tao dito sa ano, naiya.
J995 bound for General Santos. We would like to inform you that your flight will be delayed due to the late arrival of your turnaround aircraft. And as of this time, we are unable to provide you with an estimated time of departure yet. We sincerely apologize for the inconvenience this may have caused you, and rest assured that we are looking into all possible options to ensure your safety and comfort. And we stay inside the main departure area so we can keep you
Sige, nandun nakaupo.